Hey folks, Tom here from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. Dealing with insurance for car repairs can be a headache, right? Concerns about coverage shouldn't add to your stress, and at Arts, we simplify the process so you can focus on getting back on the road. Take Alina, a daycare worker who visited us a few weeks ago. Her 2012 Chevrolet Equinox had a scratched side panel from a parking lot mishap. Alina was worried her insurance wouldn't cover the damage or that the claims process would be a nightmare. We contacted her insurer, managed the claim details, and gave her a clear repair plan. Our team fixed her Equinox perfectly, and her insurance handled it smoothly. Alina told us, "Arts made the insurance process so easy. My car looks great." We work with most insurance providers, coordinating claims to ensure your coverage works for you. Our Pomona shop handles the details, from paperwork to repairs, so you don't have to. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we're here to make insurance repairs seamless. Don't let coverage concerns hold you back. Come see us for a free quote today. Want insurance repairs without the hassle? Call Arts Auto Body at 9009-620-5464 or check out artsautobody and paint.com for your free estimate. We'll handle your claim.